Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're just gonna jump right into the video. So today I will be using YYong hair. This hair I got from Aliexpress. I did go a couple inches longer this time. I usually wear 26 or 28, but I went for 30 this time. The frontal is a 13 by 6. It's pretty big, and I love that it came with baby hairs and pre-plucked. So that was great. And for the bundles, I do regret not getting more than 3. I should have gotten at least 4 or 5. But the install did come out good, so that's okay. For step 1, I'm going to spray the hair to remove any baby hairs that are sticking out so our bleaching process can be a lot easier. I'm going to use the Matrix V-Light powder, and I'm going to mix it with the cream developer in number 40. After mixing those together, I'm going to start from the very beginning of the frontal and then working my way towards the end. After rinsing out the mixture, go ahead and use a purple shampoo to wash the frontal because purple shampoo helps to stop the bleaching process so you don't over bleach your hair. As you guys can see, the hair is already pre-plucked, and I just didn't think it was necessary to do any more plucking, so I just left it alone. Make sure that you use alcohol to remove any oil or makeup before you apply your glue. I'm using Got2b glue to lay down my edges, then using a small tooth comb to push all my hair back. Now, for the bald cap method, you really don't have to do it if you don't want to. I did it because I want my sew-in to last. So that's why I am going through all the methods and doing all the steps just to make sure that this install lasts me a little while. For glue, I'm using Bold Hold, but any glue that you have that you know works, you can go ahead and use that. I'm going to use the first layer, blow dry, and do a second layer, blow dry, and on my third layer, I'm going to apply the hair. Now, I do apologize because my camera did die during this step. Go ahead after your third or second layer, apply the frontal, use your comb, use your blow dryer, and all I did afterwards, I cut the frontal, used some mousse. I did not do any baby hairs. I wrapped it and then used my hot comb to lay my hair down. Now for the back, instead of using 2 wefts like normal, I used 4 because I wanted the back to be nice and voluminous and I didn't want the length to look all thin. I'm going to go ahead, finish my hair off camera, and I'll be back to show you guys the final look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the final look, and all I did was I added foam rollers, and then this morning I added some baby hairs. That's about it. I'm 5'8", and this is how long the hair is. Okay. Alright, it's pretty long. And here's the frontal. I think I did a pretty good job with it. And this is my New Year / school hair. I'm loving it. but I am going to order another 30-inch just because I want it to be fuller. I want it to have more volume. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.